If you use Telegram a lot, you've probably noticed that photos, videos, and files can start downloading automatically the moment someone sends them. That can quickly fill up your storage, use more data than you want, and make your app feel cluttered. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto media downloads on Telegram step by step so you can take back control over what gets saved to your device. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Telegram guides and software tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This opens the main Telegram menu, where you can access all of the important settings for your account. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps the options for notifications, privacy, storage, appearance, and media behavior. After that, you'll want to click on Advanced. This section contains the more detailed controls, including download and storage settings. Now scroll down until you find the section called Automatic Media Download. This is the area that controls whether Telegram automatically downloads photos, files, and videos, depending on the type of connection you're using. You'll usually see separate settings for different connection types, such as when you're using mobile data, Wi-Fi, or roaming. To disable auto downloads, uncheck or turn off the boxes for photos, files, and videos. Make sure you review each connection type carefully because Telegram may have separate options for each one. For example, you might want to disable automatic downloads on mobile data, but leave them on for Wi-Fi, or you may want to turn everything off completely for maximum control. Take a moment to go through each section and confirm that photos, files, and videos are all disabled across the connection types you use. This is the key step that stops Telegram from automatically saving media without your permission. Once these settings are turned off, Telegram will only download files when you choose to open them manually. That means less storage usage, fewer unwanted downloads, and a cleaner experience overall. It's especially useful if you're in a lot of large group chats, channels, or work conversations where lots of media gets sent every day. And that's it. You've now disabled auto media downloads on Telegram desktop. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in how much data and storage Telegram uses on your computer. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.